In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Meta Ads Manager, Beginner's Guide to Facebook Ads Manager 2026. To get started, make sure you have a Facebook business page and access to Meta Ads Manager. Open Ads Manager in your browser and confirm you're working in the correct business account so your campaigns, billing, and permissions are all tied to the right place. When you create a new campaign, the first choice is your objective. This tells Meta what outcome to optimize for. Common options include awareness to reach as many people as possible, traffic to send visitors to a website or destination, engagement to drive likes, comments, and shares, leads to capture signups or inquiries, and sales for purchases and conversions. Pick the one that matches your most important goal right now. Next, set your budget. You can choose a daily budget, which is the average you're comfortable spending each day, or a lifetime budget, which caps spend over a defined period. Daily budgets are simple for ongoing campaigns. Lifetime budgets are helpful when you have clear start and end dates or want more control over pacing. Speaking of timing, set the start and end dates for your ad. Double check your time zone and schedule so your ads don't run at odd hours or beyond your planned promotion. Targeting is where performance is made. Define your audience using location, age, and language. Use detailed targeting to include interests and behaviors relevant to your offer. If you're unsure where to begin, consider Advantage Plus Audience to give Meta more flexibility to find likely responders while still respecting your basic inputs. Then choose placements, which determine where your ads appear across Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and Audience Network. For beginners, Advantage Plus placements are recommended. This lets Meta automatically allocate delivery to the placements most likely to achieve your objective at the best cost. Now build the ad. Pick your format, such as a single image or video, carousel, or collection. Add visuals that are clear, on brand, and easy to understand, even on mobile. Write concise primary text with a strong hook, a helpful headline, and a clear call to action that aligns with your objective, like learn more, sign up, or shop now. When you click publish, your ad goes through a policy review. Most reviews are quick. If something isn't approved, adjust the content to comply with ad policies and resubmit. Once live, monitor performance in Ads Manager. Watch key metrics tied to your objective and make measured changes rather than frequent drastic edits. With the right objective, budget, audience, placements, and creative, you'll be set up for success.